Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to go through the lovely Jubbly hanging drill. So what I like about this drill is that you're going to get to spend time obviously hanging, but now you can start to work on your hips as well. So you're going to tuck your pelvis underneath you slightly, and then you're going to lift one leg up as high as you can get it without trying to tuck yourself underneath. And then back leg, you're going to push it back as far as you can and squeeze your butt. Then from there, you're going to alternate here. It's like you're running in midair. Squeeze your butt as hard as you can. It's always nice to imagine that there's a wall behind you and you're actually trying to push your foot into it. So you're not looking to go into some big mad overextension like that. You're looking to keep your belly tucked nice and tight and then press yourself back. So if you can see from the side, I'll jump up here. So I want to tuck everything else. Lift up nice and high. Press back as far as I can. And then alternate. Boom. Do that for 10 reps. All together, and like I said, you'll really feel your butt firing up, your hamstrings firing up, and you'll get here switched on, and you also get a nice stretch in the shoulders. So win, 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 win. Do it.